Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Canva account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to go to canva.com and you want to come to this website. Once you're in this website, it's basically the official webpage of Canva. You want to click on login at the top right corner. Once you do that, it's going to show you this box. From this box, click on continue another way. Once you do that, all the ways you guys can use in order to log in into Canva, it's going to be shown over here. So you want to use whichever thing you used when you created your Canva account. So I created my Canva account using Google, so I will choose Google. But if you used any other options from over here, you want to choose that. So I will click on Google. And my Google account, which is logged in into my Chrome, is going to be displayed over here. Now this is the email which I want to log in into because that's the email which my Canva account is linked with. I'm going to click on the email and then it's going to take a bit of time, but after this loading is complete, I should be able to log in into my Canva account just like this. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to log in into your Canva account, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step for more Canva related videos just like this. And as you guys can see, I have just logged in into my account. Hope you understand how you guys can do this. Bye bye and subscribe to our channel.